Yeah, me there again, my people. Manners, big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone alright, you see it? Yeah, so I have videos that I'm going to present to you, certain things I want to talk to you about. Alright, so first up, my people, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened at the scene of a motor vehicle accident. Yes, the video that I'm going to present to you is going to show a motor vehicle that crashed. The video also shows a damaged utility pole. In my point of view, and based on some information that I got about the situation, it is said that the incident or the video be recorded in Jamaica, and it is believed that the motor vehicle hit a utility pole, viewers and subscribers. See? Yeah, the video shows what is said to be a utility pole along with wires across and somewhat over the road. You see me? Probably touching the road as well to viewers and subscribers. The video also shows motor vehicles and so forth. I didn't get any confirmed information to determine if anyone had been injured pertaining to the whole situation. But why you look and listen to this video and tell me what you think, viewers and subscribers. And please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
What's up, people? I just have to do this kind of cleaner since we are coming up.
Now, my people, I got the understanding that some form of allegation had been made about the person who was driving the motor vehicle, you see what I say, and other type of things have been said. But you see, because I have certain confirmed information as to exactly how that incident happened, I not jump to no conclusion, but just to make you know about the situation. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And here I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, here I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a person who was being restrained by police within the country of Jamaica. Based on unconfirmed information that I got, it is said that the person was being detained or held on to by police within the country of Jamaica. Didn't get any confirmed information as to why the person had been approached by police. However, I got the understanding from information that I got, and also based on some words that have been said in the video, that a certain amount of residents within an area within the country of Jamaica was upset with the way our police from within the country of Jamaica was treating at least one person we can see in the video. So, me as a viewer and subscribers, yeah, I got the understanding that there were some residents within an area that didn't like how police was treating a person. And in the video that I'm about to present, you can hear persons talking loud. You see what I say? I saw more than one piece of videos about this whole situation, but I'm going to present this video to you so you can look at it for yourself. And please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. If you listen to the video carefully, you can hear when at least one person said pepper spray, viewers and subscribers. Well, I don't have much information about that situation, you see what I say? But move on to another topic, alright? Now, I want to listen to some words that a person said in this video about someone, viewers and subscribers. I mean, based on some words that the person said, I'm saying to myself, like, good friend sometimes is better than pocket money, as well some people that say. So, someone I listen to some words that a person say in this video about someone. I think the person talk about two persons in this video, but listen for yourself, and please bear in mind that I can hear harsh language in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Peeps, God knows, see them, I show no. God knows, see the peeps, God knows, no like, see them. Me show no what I go on. To bum buckle. God knows, I'm sorry if you cuss the body, but God knows, see them. John know, I'm a virgin place, this a June, you see me? We live on the same building. See my place, there's a window lick out and everything too, you see me? But that's a minor. But watch your peeps. God know, no man enough is so wicked, some man. God know, put on me like a fish. God know, watch ya, watch ya. The man glass and them thing, everything, watch ya. The man 38,000 window, them watch ya peeps. God know, John know, them thing and I forgot so a bomb. John know, see eh? Look on the man place, clear. The thing in the man house chop up, everything chop up in the man house, clear. God know, bomb. The man big scheme TV, chop off him wall. Every bomb thing, see there last night, Mr. Lisa gave him a little fan for go and use. See there, everything in the man house, the man surrounding system, so the man like a freezer. Chop up, everything in the man house, chop up. Your man bathroom destroy completely. Everything. The outside door, that's a lot many people can show no what going in there, but God know this dreadful my peace, man, I tell you. God know, I'm a virgin, you know, man, my good friend, you know, I tell you, you know. You see me? God know, watch out. You can help out the dad, me, I beg on the son. God know, if you could, bomb, man, see there. Everything in the man place, you know, everything, you know. Yeah. Construction tool, every thing, mad boy chop up, you know. Boy name Spur, you know. We used to work at Ella and wire Port right now. Them cut out in belly, you know. Yeah. Chop up the man, so make system them could man nice blood with the man having in place could the thing bomb. You see it? That's why badness can't tap in the earth. You see me? Construction, me like a virgin day, no man said, you know, man, I tell you. God know, if you no can give dog a strength and help him, hear my people, but and get cut, you know. If you can help the dog, gonna help the dog, man. God know. See there, right now, a 10-year dog of your sleeping, as you can see, man, window them chop out everything around the sun. Chop out the odd man place, see look a bad man boy, no. See I look a red color business pan the wall, so the man vase where my van thing. See man kitchen here over there, so demolish man stove, everything demolish to blood. You see? God know peeps. If you can't give dog a strength, you give dog no peace. Me I tell you, one look a TV, one look a fan, you know, look a something can put towards one look a fridge or something. I'm a virgin, God know enough you live this a life. Man a clean and presentable, you know, man, and proper, you know, put the man pace, man. Eh? Bomb, tell me see them thing and wicked this, yo. If you can help the dog, me I beg on help him, I'm a peeps. God know, big man thing.
Now, my people, based on those words of me the person said, me have to wonder if a bad mind or if a really madness. Yeah, me have to wonder them things if a bad mind or madness. You see me I say? A vandalism, me see and hear the person I talk about another video, you know, vandalism, that thing. Alright, my people, that person seems like he might look out for someone, you know. Yeah, seems like he might look out for someone, or the person that try to bring an awareness when it comes down to a situation. You see what I say? Yeah, I think so. Now here I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when police or law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica went to a house that was occupied by the son of a musician who goes by the name of Vybz Kartel. Yes, I say, and Vybz Kartel's son was not the only person who was at the location. Yes, I say, at the time when police arrived at the location, of course, yes, and it is said that police went at the location with the intention to search the house. So I'm going to take a look at this video and get to understand the situation. It's not the first time I get information about a situation like this, and some of you might have seen at least one piece of video on social media about a situation like this pertaining to Vybz Kartel's son and so on. You can say basically members of Vybz Kartel family. Anyway, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think about this situation. Observe.
Phone for no reason though.
No, look it now. Get this word before you go with my phone. When you can't go with my phone. When you get the word before you go with my phone.
Yeah.
Then take up the phone and the son phone, the baby's son phone. But listen, all I know they here, we just be unfair because we know a little vibe, we know a little honest, I don't know the thing.
You know three man. Go and live here.
What?
Your house?
Yeah.
Okay.
But we are there now. We need to get on the information.
I'll be your name, right? I'll be your name, right?
We not going to go to one night. We need to find which one.
have your name, we have the host. Come on. Just accompany the police to the different room.
No, I'm trying to go and search right to the right. Get the right warrant.
It can't be the firearm because the address wrong for me.
Alright, yeah, no, I can't even
Just read it. Just give you right some light. You know, you can see?
Yeah, this is 86, number 1, this wrong.
Yes.
And where's
The name and the JP signature.
No, the number.
The address wrong.
No, the police does not live here. So the name.
Come on, listen.
Listen, Mr. General.
I'll show you
The name of the JP name.
Them provoking. Me not see nobody else. Me not see no texted for nobody in here. And I be a scammer living in my business. We not texted for nobody like we texted to the yard. We know why you use people fat and fry other people. That you know why I do.
Remember, you leave me and the kind of video.
You know what? They are going to try to prevent us and carry out this search.
Nobody not prevent you.
But you have the wrong warrant. Nobody not try to prevent you, but you have the wrong warrant. What back of them no carry you know them not come put nothing and plant nothing. Cause that's all them good for dirty police. Them not what back of them and two of them are the PP club.
But we are search.
But for my ID, I'm try.
Hey, I'm not gonna have Tanisha Johnson in here, man. Don't worry about it.
No, but that's sure something that the name is
Tanisha Johnson.
and important. And so the police get information on that number can make error.
Who are the scammer?
That's information.
Who is the scammer?
Yeah,
Tanisha
them
Johnson.
want wild up people like that them want do.
I told you before. Hey, I'm not gonna search the place, man.
Walk back of them, walk back of them.
Hey, then get all the information they need. We show them the one, we show them the house, we show them the name of the owner for the premises. Every information is there. If the number is not accurate, there's nothing wrong with that. We show them the house and the casing, everything they will have. So don't worry about it, just go ahead and search.
Now this is we know 50 trees on it.
Hey, lady.
Big clown.
Go turn out her room.
I can't.
All the things.
I want one who would not go at a time. Because we don't want enough of what you saw with that.
Wait. A sentence be. Sentence be.
No.
So on the second time this happened. Bro, at the same thing when you come back with you the second time this happened. Come on the camera, Brittany.
Now my people this look away. And right about now, me have to start think different. Yeah, what strange men thing and so forth. No, remember, police where got the location, no live there. Just I point out that police will got a location and live there. And if you might get information and them no live there. Think. You see me answer my people, and this is not the first time something like this happens, so me answer to myself, say, if something like this happen again, then this is definitely something to be looked into. You see me answer? Alright, but I could see what I go on still. I could see what I go on, you know. You see me wish for the best, you see. But let me know what I think about a situation like that. And here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.